Ta-da-da! Welcome to my vision board making day. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, and this is going to be very interesting because this is going to be the vision board making, which is like my favorite time of the year. This is my favorite activity of the year, other than decorating my Christmas tree. Of course, I'm like a Christmas paglu, but yes, again, this is also a very monumental time of the year because I love to lock in everything that I want for another year, and the things and like the possibility of life, and I love that. So yeah, let's quickly make it. And this year I have gone like all in. I have printed out the like the milestone of my dreams. So I have printed out all the stuff that I want for this year. These are the boards. I have 2 boards. This year I'm not taping it all, I'm sticking it all. So I'm going to use these Fevi sticks. I have got the scissors and I have got extra hands to help me cut these up. So Bebabu and Anuj. So let's get started with the cutting. Should we do a time lapse? This is from 2022 and this is from 2023. And my 2024 vision board is not with me. These are the vision boards that I already have. 2024 was horrific year, and mid of 2025 was a horrific year. So 2023 was actually great, but 24 and 25 have been half of the 24 and half of the 2025 was not very charming. But yeah, we are trying to build a life for ourselves, so who's gonna stop me? Nothing. Nothing is going to stop me from making my vision board, like the outrageous board I'm going to make this year. We have Cartier, we have Jesco, we have Bentleys, we have Sambas, we have vacations, we have everything this year, and I'm not going to shy away from anything because I'm going to be the best version of myself this year. And this is a promise to myself, and I've always wanted to do this and be this, but I think I have never got the feeling of it. But this year I am in that zone and I have that feeling that we're gonna do it, and I have the dates, the PRs, the bills and the everything. So let's get down to it. पिछली बार वाला vision board video I remember very clearly because it was with Tanu and Kiru, and we did it in our home. It was very cute time. This is Anuj. Also, I have printed out this sales, and I do not have a business yet. But I have it in my mind, if that counts. And then I have my biggest dreams of all, having the Jesco. I have my dreams in every size in this one, like the small, medium, large, extra large, double XL, and like the infinite size that exists. This one says, confidence looks good on me, which is so true. And Rag says it all the time. And then I have this Cartier ring. और मेरी दूसरी सबसे biggest dream is to having a Bugatti Chiron, and I don't know how to drive a car yet, but my dreams have lots of cars in them. And this is nothing but like I'm doing the mood boarding, maybe for a client, maybe for a PR, for a brand. Let's see. मैं अपने सारी energy इन photos में करती हूँ. I have the dates also. We are going horse riding this year. Last year also that I had it in my card, but no. We have spas and hair. We have the studios, cause darling, we are going to be filming more. We have the Christian Dior heels. We're gonna buy them. We have Guerlain lipsticks. This is like a small dream. We can keep it extra small. Oh, we have Dyson. पता है ये सारा कुछ देख के the feeling is that I am in love with this House of Anu color. I think since then I have been obsessed with this like burgundy red, like wine red color, and I think this is going to be the theme. This is of course the theme of House of Anu, but this is reflecting into all my cars. So for Bugatti Chiron earlier, I have like a blue and white one, if you know. But now this year I have found this picture wherein this is in this color. Crazy. Of course, we have another picture of Anurag besides this BMW X3. So we are definitely gonna get it next year by our anniversary. Is it? Is it? Nahi, it is.
Is it?
He's question marking my question marking. Why? And then we have welcome to the world of BMW. And then I have a picture of the fonts that I really love. This is like very vintage, romantic fonts. And then we have a romantic vacation. Okay guys, मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर के बाद once I organize everything. Where am I going to put everything? So yeah, give us a break. Bye bye. Baby, so आप ये सब जो कट कर रहे हो और आप ये देख पा रहे हो, half of the things are in your bucket list to gift me, like this Dason that he is cutting right now. It is again in the color palette of House of Anu. तो बेबी आपको क्या लगता है मेरे ये सारे ड्रीम्स देख के आपको कभी कभी ये नहीं लगता कि हाउ क्रेजी आई एम?
मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि ये मेरा ही विजन बोर्ड है, नोट बोर्ड है। पूछो क्यों?
क्यों?
तो करना तो मुझे ही है।
कितने आप बुरे हो सकते हो?
इसलिए मैं अपना विजन बोर्ड बना रहा हूँ अनु का नाम लेके, क्योंकि यही सारी चीजें मुझे भी पसंद है।
क्या पसंद है?
ये
बेंटली?
हाँ, ऐसा कि मैं बेंटली खरीदूं, तुम चलाओ, मैं बैठूं।
ठीक है, whatever it is, but it is. It is in the cards. Whoever gets it, either me or him, but it's gonna be there. But this is my vision board. There are some gifts here and there and hints. and hints. And more hints. And more hints. I have a lot of Cartier rings. I think maybe because of the color of the box.
ये आपका विजन बोर्ड नहीं है, इनका विश लिस्ट।
This is a wish list. This is not a vision board. This is so baby. I've got two boards. So maybe one I can create as a wish list for my husband, and the another one is something that I work upon.
Yes.
Okay, guys. See you. See you in some time. था वेलकम बैक। सो हमने थोड़ा सा फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश की है और एज ऑलवेज मेरे लिए बोर्ड कम पड़ जाता है, तो आई थिंक आई हैव ऑन दिस बोर्ड आई हैव ओनली गॉट माई मेन गोल ऑफ द ईयर विच इज बिकमिंग अ मिलियनेयर. ओके एंड देन I have a lot of work around House of Anu, Damn You Anu and the vlogging stuff. And then buying a car, and then a lot of dates with hubby bubby, and then a family vacay or a family dinner, enjoying with family basically. So that is all that is here. So let's quickly get on sticking it. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. So हमारे पास है फेविस्टिक. Now we are going to stick it all together. चलो शुरू करते हैं. So we are coming through. Ta-da-da-da. इतना बोर्ड बन गया है, इतना अभी खाली है. So this part is House of Anu Media, and this is like Damn You Anu, and this is the YouTube, like what I will be filming. So mostly I film whatever is going in my life, if we are on vacation, the time with my family and friends, and dates. So which is why it is here. And here I think it will be mostly all of the enjoyable stuff, buying new things, because I am a spender. That we have already established, guys. पर वो खो गई है कहीं. ओह, मैं बैठ गई थी इसके ऊपर, मिल गया. दत्तरदा दरा दत्तरदा दरा दत्तरदा. So let's quickly get on to this. अभी भी we have a really long way to go. Should we time lapse it? We we are on our very last picture that we can stick, and then we are done with the board number 1, which is like so great, which is like work. Ta-da-da-da! Hey guys, so we are back with another board. Because I'm a maximalist, I am not a minimalist, so I need 2 boards. So first up, we are going ahead with my little cute dream. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I love Jescos, I love Bentleys, I love Bugatti, but my permanent favorites have been these 2. I always share their posts because they are like so chic and nice. I love the post wherein I think Bugatti placed their car in Japan, and Jesco also did the same. Like they parked their car in like full snow, and it was like so nice. So I love these 2 cars. These 2 are like my ultimate dream cars. So I'm just putting a good vibe to it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna turn 85 and then I'm gonna get it, but we're gonna get there, girl. अब हम अपने थोड़े महंगे सपने सजाते हैं दूसरे बोर्ड पे, कुछ ज़्यादा ही महंगे सपने. Let's see this. This is like amazing. And you guys know by now that I'm a Tumblr paglu and I love Porsche. So with Porsche I have the matching tumblers. Guys, I'm so tired, but we have to make the progress. But I think I'm so done. Oh God. Okay, let's quickly do this, because we gotta do it. Oops, where is the sticky sticks? Okay guys, so we are done. Ta-da! We are done with the second board too, and this is the first board, and this is the vision board of 2026. And yep, let's see how much can we achieve. This one is like highly ambitious. This is like triple XL, so we are gonna forget it for now. But yes, we are gonna focus on this. We are gonna do a lots of work here. Okay guys, so I'm gonna see you soon. Bye bye. Happy New Year everybody. Keep shining. Sundari Sundari तुझा नाम काय आहे. Bye bye.